Let's get your Spectrum internet up and running. First, position your modem near a cable outlet and a power source, ensuring it has good ventilation to prevent overheating. Take the coaxial cable and screw one end into the wall outlet and the other into the cable in port on your Spectrum modem. If you have a separate router, use an Ethernet cable to connect the LAN port on your modem to the WAN port on your router. Power on the modem first and wait for it to sync with Spectrum's network. The lights on the modem will indicate when it's ready. Once the modem is synced, power on your router. Remember to use Cat6 or higher Ethernet cables for optimal performance. This setup ensures a stable connection to Spectrum's network. Now that your modem and router are physically connected, it's time to activate your Spectrum service and synchronize your devices. Download the Spectrum app or visit spectrum.net/activate. Log in with your Spectrum account credentials. The app will guide you through the activation process, which typically involves scanning the QR code on your modem or entering its serial number. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation, which assigns an IP address to your modem. After activation, access your router's admin interface, usually by typing 192.168.1 into a web browser to set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, password, and security settings. WPA3 is recommended for enhanced security. By completing these steps, your modem and router will synchronize, providing you with a working internet connection. If you encounter issues, double-check your cable connections. Try resetting your devices by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, or contact Spectrum's 24/7 support for assistance.